So I have my brown paper bag as my carbon catalyst. I have my hair in there, and also, I don't know if you can see it, but there's also some coffee grounds in there. There's some paper ash in there in place of my wood ash. Let me see if I turn around, you can see that, those coffee grounds. Fresh coffee grounds.
You be everything.
Okay, and we're gonna put it in like so. Make sure that's down in there, sitting on top of the rocks. It's okay if it closes up that drainage hole, because I don't expect much drainage in the beginning. And I'm not going to be putting the worms directly into here. This is actually to compost manure first to put the worms in. The worms I'm going to be showing in a separate video. And I'll actually take some of this out and put it in for worm bedding.
Okay.
And as you see, some of the grass clippings is still fresh and green, so I may not need to do another cut. And then we're just going to start layering it in here. Put it like so. So that's one layer. Get a little bit of dirt. Shovel some rich dirt in there. I just want to go around my yard and pick up old poop. Like I said, I'm not putting my wormies in with poop or the food that they're going to be breaking down. I'm not going to be doing that directly with my worms. I am going to sterilize it first. By hot compost. Litter that I have been using and I'll be using. Also throw the dog poop in here, and I'll show you, how we incorporate this into or how we make compost with this. Okay, so here's the special ingredient, guys, what we all been waiting for. This is my pine litter, and I got it in a sifter. And if you know about pine litter, you don't know about pine litter, it's actually a great biodegradable product. This is all the pellets that broke down. I'm gonna put this in there too. But yeah, mixing, layering it throughout. I think it goes without saying to wear gloves, especially when you're gonna be touching this stuff. Okay, got most of that out of there. And I'm just gonna give it a good mix. Toss it in. Get some soil. Yep. Yep. Get some good soil. Get in there. Get some good soil. Let me get one more scoop. Let's get a slight mix. Not too much. Not too much mix.
Right here?
Okay, we're gonna get some grass. Yep, stuff it in there. It's okay to pack it. So okay to pack it tight. And I'll keep layering it with dirt, grass, poop, and wood pellets.
If you made it this far, you should.
This is brown sugar water, and I'm basically going to pour it on top and get this process started. So I have my pump sprayer ready to go.
Spray me.
Sorry.
Okay.
Brown sugar water that I'm gonna pour down in here. Alright, and you're just gonna wet this down now. Get it nice and wet.
Wet me again.
Sorry.
It's okay if you wet me.
So I finished watering it. I only watered a little bit because it does look like it's about to rain. So I'm just set it off to the corner. I'm going to cover it up just in case. So this is day one. It has been not exactly 24 hours, but almost a day. And as you can see, it is starting to break down. So I think this method that I'm using to hot compost should work. This is day 3 of a compost pile. I'm turning it. This is what I had already dumped some out on top of my outside compost. And this is what I've gotten so far. It's starting to break down really nicely. As you can see, this is my dry. I haven't really been doing nothing with this one outside, but I'm about to water it a little bit more. Let the sun do what it do. I have my helpers
I'm wet.
with me today. Not yet, but my little helper stirring around the outside post. Yeah, that's right. Get some good mix up in there and give it a little water. Good job. Yeah, there you go.
No, I'm done.
Done? Okay.
You see, it's cool.
Yeah, good job.
And now I'm looking for treasure.
You wanna look for treasure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm spraying me.
I'm sorry.
There's little holes.
Yeah, little holes. That's spray droplets.
I'm gonna spray the dirt off the dirt.
No, I don't want you to spray the dirt off. Inside. Spray inside. Alrighty. I have my little helper spray inside while I turn this around. This is the end of day 3's turn. This is the pal. I had to take more to fill this one back up, so it definitely is breaking down. And I'll probably be out here in the next 48 to 72 hours to see what it looks like. I'm gonna cover this back up because it is about to rain. Time to go flip my compost pile and my bin. Compost pile, bin. And some new stuff. Some new kitchen scraps. I don't know if you can see in there. Some onions, some peppers, some more here. Bananas, grapes. Dryer lint. And like it's breaking down real nicely. Let's see, I had put some rice in here like yesterday. See if I can get that more. But I buried a banana peel and a grape. I don't know why, just one grape, but I did. So, yep, I'm gonna churn this out. I don't have a cameraman today, guys, so. Alright, so real quick, guys. This is what it looks like in the bin. I can't really see if you guys can see because the sun. I think I just seen a black soldier fly. I also seen a wasp. But yeah, this is what it's starting to look like after about a week. We started this about a week ago.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more content like this. Check out these other channels if you like gaming, dogs and early education.